Hi everybody, today is November 10, 2020, and this video is about the vocabulary. This vocabulary is in the textbook, Future 2, or maybe you have just the paper copies, and it's page 14, right? Page 14. And we're looking at the vocabulary here in part 1 before you listen. Remember, this is about describing personalities. Personalities is like, what is the person like? Or not what do they like? Not like I like pizza or I like dancing. No, it's not about hobbies. It's what are they like? What is their personality like? Are they a nice person? A rude person, a bad person, a good person, personality. It's like inside of us, our feelings. So, I'm going to talk today about this vocabulary. All of these words. For you, you can check these these are from a dictionary. They are definitions, or like the meaning, and you can write the word here. But this video will help you with pronunciation and also the meaning. So the first word is supportive. 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 The meaning of supportive, it's somebody who always helps you. Somebody who is supportive. For example, my mother is supportive. When I have a problem, I call my mom on the phone. Hey mom, I need some help. I don't know, I'm having a problem in my relationship or with my friend. What's your advice? Right? A supportive person, maybe they give help with advice. Maybe money. For me, I can't call my mom. Supportive. I have a friend. I can call my friend. Hey, I need some money. Can you give me some money? I'll pay you back next month. Like that. Supportive. Pronunciation. Right? For supportive. How many syllables do you hear? Supportive. 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 3 syllables. Supportive. Supportive. Right? 3 syllables. Supportive. For spelling, real quick, the E at the end, this one is always part of the last syllable. I-V-E. This is the silent E, right? We don't say supportive or supportive. In English, no, it's silent. Right? And we know when we have 2 consonants, like 2 P's here, we're going to go between. Supportive. 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 So 3 syllables. Where's the stress? Supportive. Supportive. Stress is the loud or long syllable. Supportive. Number 2. Supportive. Supportive. This means the most important for pronunciation is this syllable. Pour. Pour. See my mouth? It's not O, it's O. O. Short vowel. Supportive. Supportive. The or, some people say or supportive. You need to get the O. Supportive. Number 2, outgoing. 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 The meaning, outgoing. So you see the word out, and you know the word going. The meaning is based on these words, outgoing. So it's somebody who likes to go out, likes to tell about themselves. Outgoing. They like to say, hi, how are you? What's your name? My name's Vic. Oh, hi, how are you? What's your name? Oh, hi, Kelly. My name's Vic. Oh, hi. What's your name? Outgoing. Right? They tell their name. They tell their, I'm feeling good. They talk to everybody. Outgoing. Right? Outgoing. Outgoing. Pronunciation? Outgoing. How many syllables? Outgoing. 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 3 syllables. Outgoing. Again, right, we have 2 consonants, T, G, so we know, we have to divide. O-U-T, G-O-I-N-G. 2 vowels, we gotta divide between vowels too. Outgoing. Or outgoing. Right? Many people don't silent G, silent N. Outgoing. 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 Where's the stress? Outgoing. Outgoing. She's outgoing. Number 2. The most loud is going. Outgoing. Outgoing. So we want to get go, long O. O, right? O. Outgoing. 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 Number 3, laid back. Laid back. The meaning, right? Do you know the word lay? Lay, like lay down, I'm sleeping. Yeah, lay, laid, past tense. Laid. Right? So this is, and then back, forward, right? Somebody who's laid back, they like to relax. The meaning is clear from lay and back. They lay back. They don't go. They're not outgoing, right? Opposite. Outgoing, they go, oh, hi, how are you? How are you? Laid back, maybe they relax. Another word for laid back, chill, relaxed. Laid back, chill, right? They're cool, right? They like to relax. They're not stressed. Maybe like, oh no, what's happening? What's happening? No, oh, no problem. No problem. No worries. No problem. Laid back. Right? Opposite of outgoing and opposite of worry or stress. Somebody who is laid back, they are not stressed. No problem. Tomorrow I'll fix it. Tomorrow I'll check. Pronunciation. Laid back. Laid back. Laid back. 2 syllables, right? Laid back. It's exactly with the 2 words. Laid back. Now, this one is a long A. A-I, long. A. Laid. So you see A. Laid. For American speakers, we say, 1 syllable. We hear laid. It almost sounds like 2. Laid. Laid. Laid back. The D can be pretty quiet. Lay back. Laid back. Where's the stress? Laid back. Laid back. Number 2. Laid back. The very loud word is back. Lay back. She's laid back. He's laid back. He doesn't worry. He's very relaxed, laid back. Number 4, cheerful. 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 The meaning. What is the meaning of cheerful? It's similar to the word happy, glad, cheerful. But somebody who is cheerful, this is their personality. That means they are usually happy. Of course, nobody is always happy. But somebody who's cheerful, usually they are happy. Right? For example, maybe my coworker is cheerful. They come to work in the morning and they're always like, hey, how are you? What's up? Yeah, no problem. I've got music, cheerful. Hey, how was your weekend? It's okay, right? it's different than outgoing because outgoing is talking to everybody. Oh, it's talking to everybody. Talking. And telling, like, my name is Vic. Oh, I like pizza. Do you like pizza? Outgoing. Cheerful. Maybe they're happy and quiet. Cheerful and quiet. Hey, how's your day? Yeah, good. Yeah, no problem. Cheerful. It's the same meaning as like happy or glad. But it's about personality, so it's like usually happy, usually glad. Pronunciation, cheerful, cheerful, cheerful. How many syllables? Cheerful, cheerful. 2 syllables. Right? Between 2 consonants. So we have cheerful, cheerful, cheerful. E, long E. So E. You see the move? E, cheerful. With R, some people say cheerful. Other people, cheer. See, cheerful. Where's the stress? Cheerful. Number 1. Cheerful. The strong one is cheerful. This one you could say fa. The most important, cheerful. Cheer. You want E. Cheerful. I don't know the number. Next one. Talkative. The meaning, they like to talk. They're always talking. They're always speaking. Talkative. Oh, hey, how's your day today? I'm really good. Did you see the news last night? Yeah, I saw the news. Did you check it? Talking. They could be talkative and sad. I don't know why this is happening. I don't really see this. They're so talkative, but always sad. Or talkative and happy. Hi, how are you? Right? Talkative, they talk a lot. Similar to outgoing, but outgoing is more like giving information about yourself. Oh, I live in Jamaica Plain. Where do you live? Outgoing. I live in Jamaica Plain. Where do you live? Oh, we are neighbors. Talkative, maybe they don't give you information about themselves, but they like to talk. Oh, did you see them? Yeah, did you look at it? Talkative. So the word talkative. How many syllables? Talkative. 3 syllables. Talkative. Right? Talkative. Now remember the E, right? The silent E, we always leave this one together. Right? We're not going to go between because we have 2 vowels, but this one is silent. Here, we have 2 consonants. LK. So we're going to divide between 2 consonants for syllables. Talkative. The L here, T-A-L, the L in talk is kind of silent. Some people will say talk. You hear the L? Other people, no, talk. Talk. Like TikTok. Right? The app. Talk. So here, maybe it's talkative. Or this one can be div. Talkative. Where's the stress? Talkative. Stress, loud, long, talkative. Number 1. Talkative. Most important, talkative. You can say talkative,